Good morning, everybody. My name is myself Vijay Krishna, and I'm pursuing a generative AI course. And I have done a project on Python based on the if-else function. And I have done the project that is a basketball match tracker, and it announced the audio announcement. Here first, I have used Gradio, and I also used GTSS to import the GTSS for the audio file. So I have used the if-else functions. So first we will add the players to the team by using the if-else functions. Then we will update the score of the each and every person. And then if any faults are done, then also we will also add the faults, and that will announce there. I have also used the voice announcement. So it will announce the player name and the points and the foul they made. This is the Gradio interface. This is the basketball match tracker automatic voice announcement. So I have already added the player names. So I will update the score here. First I have selected the surname.
Dinesh Sir scored 3 points for Los Angeles Lakers.
So
Total Los Angeles Lakers score is 6.
So like this, it will announce the player name and the score, and along with the total team score. So previously I added some names randomly, and I'm selecting a name. I added a score.
Kieran scored 2 points for Chicago Bulls. Total Chicago Bulls score is 4.
So here it is announcing Kiran scored, and it is a player name, and it will announce the team name. It will also display here the player score and total team score. And if the player has done any faults, so we can add here. So I selected the team name, and here I selected the player name, and I have added F4. Then also it will also announce.
Foul by Mahesh from Los Angeles Lakers. That is 1 foul for Mahesh.
So by that, if team foul has happened, it will add every one player one foul. So I added Chicago Bulls team foul.
Team foul charged the Chicago Bulls. All players in Chicago Bulls receive 1 foul. Chicago Bulls now has 1 total team fouls.
So here, every player in the Chicago Bulls have added 1 more foul. So thank you.